Hello friends, how did you enter emotionally in 2024? I sincerely wish that all of us will gain inner peace as well as peace on our planet. It has been almost 4 years since I left South Africa and returned back to my homeland. These few years have been a saving grace from my previous self. I lived in Africa for 25 years and I really don't know how a quarter of a century could so rapidly fly past. On all the light switches in my South African home I wrote, "I'm enough." That just shows what on earth I spent all those years on. The never-ending battle to prove my worthiness, to show off that I'm someone. If a person is not tortured by a feeling of inner emptiness, why would he even think to constantly prove to himself and the world that he is enough? Even an idea of such an affirmation would seem absurd. Off I go. I'm riding. I'm still doing the kids slope, and it's enough because those big ones out there just that's my next try. It is amazing. It's really nice to use your whole body to move and groove, and it's such a beautiful place. Here, back in my homeland, I slowly learned to stop running, to stop proving and pretending, but rather to start living, to develop a variety of new skills, and to actually enjoy the process. Whilst in Africa, I also did have some lovely moments. When for a short time I freed up from the perpetual rat race of trying to prove my self-worth, I then gained moments of inner peace and joy. These unfortunately were short-lived.
We have not any seen.
We have not seen any.
We have not seen any
Да я тебе скажу. Jesus.
sustained sustained co-creation.
Yes!
Anxiety and suffering. We will learn to. You will learn to.
With us you will learn to.
Of inner transformation to disentangle from in our complementary.
Я здесь, мила. Come and join. We'll teach you how to be free from anxiety and suffering.
Awaken. In which we will begin we will begin. We will include one live stream, rebirth of your brain and heart. This will increase the strength, speed and depth of feelings.
Иди сюда, тебе яблочко. Иди сюда. Иди. Садись, иди сюда. Маленький смотрит. Ты его сисей кормишь, да? Сисей ты его кормишь.
In the first years after returning to Russia, I was going through severe suffering. I would get up at 5 a.m. in a usual panic. If I don't go and earn money immediately, then tomorrow I'll end up homeless. For a big part of my previous life, I was terribly afraid to end up on the streets. Only during the last few years, I started to finally relax as we acquired our land and built our home without debt. I wish with my entire heart that each one of us finally acquires real life versus a constant panic race, pretending. See you soon, my friends.